Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. And it is Friday, March 21st, 2025. And it's 10:17 in the morning, a little bit late to the party, but let's get into the analysis straight away. Dollar yen right now. After we had a little slight rally to 149, say 70. Market's kind of cooling off right now. We didn't get, we didn't surpass the low of yesterday at 148.17, so it's pretty important. So right now, as it stands, I'm going to move this down right here. I'm going to go 149.12. Dollar yen short term has to get above 149.12 in order to show some strength to get us back up to that 149.60 and potentially 149.92. Right now, it's really just in a big consolidation, happening right here. It's happening right in here. That's a funky little circle, but that's where the consolidation's happening. We got support at 148.44 on a longer term, and we got slight resistance at 149.12. If we could break 149.12, my play would be to buy a dip. I would be looking for the marketplace to basically come up. If it breaks this, I'd be looking to buy a dip right around, say, 85-ish if I can, even 70 against that low that we got right there at 148.60. It would even be better if I can get them at 148.65 and put a stop at like 148.45. But that's where we stand right now in dollar yen. Let's go and go over to sterling dollar. We've been talking about that 130 forever. I don't even want to mention it anymore. I mean, it's just horrible. Let's go on a little bit longer term here. Let's go to 6 hours. This 130 has been just a beast holding us. Main support is still, short-term support's 128.76, and the main support is the 128.20. Really, as it stands, it's got to get over 129, say 55 right now. 129. All right, I'll even go 129.61. It's got to get over 129.61 to shake off this bearishness to get us back up to that 130. And potentially, if we could break this, we'd get up to like 130, like 35-ish, 130.40. So there's nearly not much to move in sterling dollar itself. It's not really the main play. It's all dollar yen. And that's flowing over into sterling yen. So let's get into sterling yen right now. All right, so sterling yen. Sterling yen right now has resistance right here at 192.70. 192.70. Right there. Fine, close enough. There is the resistance right now of sterling yen. Now, if we could break up through 70, we're looking probably at a potential run to like 193. I would go like 25.30, maybe even this high bar's closed 40 on an extension. Now, this all depends on dollar yen. If dollar yen can break that 149, say 15 level, and start a run, and cable, sterling yen, as long as cable stays kind of pinned, sterling yen could run a little bit. But there is, heavy duty resistance really all the way up top. 193.10 is the first short-term resistance up top, and then behind that, we got 193.60. So I'll put that up there too. 193.70. That's good enough. So right now, as it stands, it needs to get above this 50 level and obviously hold this bottom here at 192.15. Really, I don't have a really good point in it. I mean, I would have said I would have sold it earlier if I was available. I wasn't. So really, I'm kind of in limbo right now with this. But those are definitely the points. 192.72 is resistance. We'll break above that, can drive us to 193, like 25-ish. Let's go over to euro yen. That's another one. It's doing the same thing that cable's doing. As it stands right now, let's get this up a little bit. Okay, we got support at 160.30, 160.63. We went as low as 162, what, 73 yesterday. Where are we now? Let me see. Okay, resistance right now is 161. 161. Why is this thing? It's locked. 161.71. Right there is the resistance, 161.71. Needs to break that, and then obviously also it's got the top at 163.65. It needs to get through really higher, much higher. Up here, 163.35 is the first level. Really, again, this thing, the only way it shows any type of strength if it gets above 161.70. So that's where I got the points for today at 10:23 in the morning. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Head over to Park Avenue Trading and get yourself a free ebook. And remember, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.